So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone is stuck on updating its software. So maybe you went through and you were stuck on the software update panel, it's not going through, it's not updating, and it's basically just giving you some problems. The first thing that people recommend doing for the most part is to go through and force restart your iPhone. Now, what does this mean? This basically means to go through and hold down the volume up button and the side button, and just to go through and try sliding the power off your particular device. That's another very big thing I recommend probably a lot of people to do too. And you can see even before my phone was stuck on that refresh panel, like it was just like finding the software update, I tried to even kind of restart it and then this happened. So that's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and just try restarting your device. Another thing, if it's just continuing to fail every time you try to install the update, I would probably recommend going through and try seeing if you can delete that original update and reinstall it. So in your general settings of your iPhone right here, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and wherever that update was coming from, that update must have been here somewhere, try going through, try reinstalling that update by deleting the update, just like swipe to the side on that update, tap on that delete button, and try reinstalling it. A lot of the times that might end up doing it for you as well. Also, you might want to double check your storage space. So in this same storage panel, right up here, you might just want to go through, make sure you have enough space saved up on your storage device. That can be another thing I'd recommend a lot of people to do. If you have a VPN connected, you might want to turn off your VPN. And if you have any beta profiles, you might also want to do the exact same thing as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.